Hello everyone, we are solving SQL 15. We are continuing our series of SQL 15 where we will solving the 50 questions in 50 days. So this is our next question in our SQL 15 series. The problem is the question name is number of unique subjects taught by each teacher. So this is a label as medium. Okay, and as you can see on screen, the teacher column, teacher is the table name, and the table description as given. There are three tables: subject, teacher ID, subject ID, department ID. So let's try to understand the problem statement. And understanding the problem statement, after that we are breaking problem statement into small pieces, and that pieces then we will use to construct a query. And then construct a query, so that will help us to solve the problem. So let's read it first. Write a solution to calculate the number of unique each teacher teaches in the university. Okay, unique subject teacher teaches in the university. Return the result in any order. Okay, so teacher table are given. This is the input table. So I copy it and paste it here because clear visibility. So let's see. So we need to find the subject the teacher are teaching. How many unique subject are teacher are teaching. So count of the subject, unique subject. So distinct subject, we can say that distinct subject taught by teacher. So let's see. Subject ID 121. Okay. Here we can see teacher ID 1, subject ID, teacher ID, teacher 1 teaches subject number 2, subject ID 2, department ID 3, and also same teacher teaches subject ID, same subject ID to department number 4. But we need to count a number of unique subject across the departments. Okay, so as a result of this, so there are two unique subjects. So subject ID having one teacher, subject teacher ID is 1, and subject ID is 2, 2 and 3 for 3 and 3 department in same, fourth 4 department is different. But if we see this carefully, only two subjects are there, teach by uh, teacher ID 1. So A will be counted as a two different subject or two distinct subject teacher teaches. And for the teacher ID 2, let's see. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So yeah, so what we do, so let dry run it on the screen. So what we do to solve this question, so let's think. Okay, we can do group by doing group by on teacher group by teacher ID, and only we selecting a distinct subject ID, and then we count. So that will result in distinct number of subjects, distinct subject teacher teaches across the departments. So that is a one solution for this problem. So let's go. Let's try to do this. Select teacher ID, and also I will use distinct. Why distinct? Because of same teacher can teach the same subject but in different departments. Likewise, teacher ID 1 teaches subject ID number 2 but two different departments, but we want across all department. Okay, across all department, teacher number of subjects should be unique. So let's see. I will do subject ID subject id here, subject id, and I will use like this, count as cnt, and from teacher, 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 group by teacher, teacher, teacher id. That's it. So maybe this will result in, may this should be result in our solution. Let me refresh one more no. So our test case gets passed, so we will checking for the multiple test cases. If that multiple test cases gets accepted by the servers, then we will then we will solve our question successfully. Let's see, I'm submitting for the checking, I'm submitting for checking a purpose, for purpose of checking multiple test cases. Now submit it. This is our solution, and we are using count and using distinct because of we need to count the distinct subject teacher are teaching across the departments. Okay, so let's see what will be the result of that, of this query. Yes, this result get accepted, and the 14 out of 14 test cases get passed, so our solution is accepted, and we solved this question successfully. So what we learn from this question, we learn from this question how to group by basis on basis of id. Here we are group by on the basis of teacher id, and how also we learn how to get the count the distinct element from the table, and how to, and also we can also able to count how to get the distinct element from the table. So this is for, this is your SQL 50 question. So this is your SQL 15 question. So, SQL 15 series question, number of unique subject taught by each teacher, and this is your solution. And thanks for the watching. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe it and like it. Thank you.